It starts as the spark, a fleeting connection, and quickly engulfs us with a fiery affection. Hold me so close and kiss me in the rain. Thunder and lightning so intense, yet still we remain. Wildfire love, burning deep within our souls, unstoppable and fierce, a love that never grows old. Our wildfire love will keep burning together forever, entwined in this wildfire love. Through the darkest of nights, our love will shine like embers in the darkness, a love so divine. We'll weather every storm, the highs and the lows, as our wildfire love continues to grow. Wildfire love, burning deep within our souls, unstoppable and fierce, a love that never grows old. Our wildfire love will keep burning together forever, entwined in this wildfire love. Our wildfire love, burning deep within our souls, unstoppable and fierce, a love that never grows old. Our wildfire love will keep burning together forever, entwined in this wildfire love. With every touch, every kiss, the flames rise higher. Our bodies fit together, we become the fire. Burning bright, turn hotter than the golden sun. Our love becomes a wildfire that can never be undone. Wildfire love, burning deep within our souls, unstoppable and fierce, a love that never grows old. Our wildfire love will keep burning together forever, entwined in this wildfire love. Wildfire love, burning deep within our souls, unstoppable and fierce, a love that never grows old. Our wildfire love will keep burning together forever, entwined in this wildfire